Today is Easter 2009, and we're giving Izzy a bath. So Albert, how was your Easter today?
Well, for the most part it was good, but actually the most embarrassing thing happened to me today. While we were dropping Izzy off at the nursery in the morning at church, I bent down to put her down. I squatted to put her down on the ground, and as I squatted, I heard this pop and this rip.
No.
I was like, what happened? And it turns out I was wearing a suit today, and it was a pretty tight-fitting, slim-fitting suit, and I guess I just tore my pants right in the back, and it like carried down like halfway down my thigh. And it was totally visible, but luckily for me, I was wearing a long overcoat.
Yeah, because it was freezing today.
Even though it was mid-April, it was like in the 30s in the morning, so no one could see it, thankfully. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to get those pants fixed, and it's kind of embarrassing.
This won't be going on YouTube, that's
for sure. No, this is not going on YouTube.
This is just for our purposes.